Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Chic. Today, don't forget, you can subscribe to our channel and everything. I'll say that at the end and remind you that we have the website askthenerd.net. You can check it out for all kinds of other resources. But the first things first, today we're going to look at doing a box open of the Ledger Nano S. This is a cryptocurrency hardware wallet used for Bitcoin and Ethereum and that kind of thing. So anyway, here's the box. It's really a small little deal. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. I think what's neat about this one is it has a very similar look to Apple products, which of course is very attractive. I like this. It's come highly recommended. Hey, you guys like my little multi-tool? Anyways, get it open here so you guys can see it. What's inside the box? And then again, later come back, I'll do some setup tutorials for this and how I use it. Okay, so here we go. This is what's inside the box of the Ledger Nano S. This thing has come highly recommended. If you've got a Ledger, hit the comments and tell us what you think about it. This is my first official hardware wallet. So it's been in the blockchain up till now. There it is. So you can see it. And that's what it looks like. And there it is. It feels a little more lightweight than I expected, but the metal is a nice addition. Now let's keep going. And actually, just so you know, this is loose. So I figured it would be, if you shake it hard enough, it'll do that. But again, this is what's in the box. I'm just doing a box opening, so I'm just showing you as I review. It looks like down here, under this kind of stuff, is the paperwork. Very Apple-esque. Yeah. Did you notice there's no anti-tampering sticker on this box? A cryptographic mechanism checks the integrity of your Ledger's device's internal software each time it's powered on. The secure element chip prevents any interception or physical replacement attempt. Ledger devices are engineered to be tamper-proof. That's what's inside the box. Getting started card. There it is. It's got a link to that in case you didn't get that in yours. Recovery sheet. I'm not going to show you that. And the recovery sheet and the recovery sheet. These are all confidential. They're in the box and they're for you. And on the back side, you of course can put your phrases and you can stick it in your stuff, in your safe or whatever. And there is the wire that of course connects it. And oh, it's cool. It's got a lanyard and a key ring. I gotta be honest, I wouldn't keep this on a key ring on your keys. It's a neat idea, but for me, like, look at that. Like, you shake it hard enough, it pops down. This would be not the kind of thing I'd want on my key ring. Plus, I wouldn't want it, whatever, my keys would bust this up. I don't think it's really tough enough to keep in a key ring. It's just too loose, but it's, good for putting in your safe. But anyway, that's inside the box. So you've got all of these pieces. I'll set them out so you can see them. And that's what's inside the box on the Ledger Nano. Cool stuff. All right, well, that's all for this video. Now I'm going to do a setup video for this later, so check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Chic channel. We've got this channel, our gaming channel, and then of course, we're going to be having a lot more to do with mining. I've been with Bitcoin since the very beginning. And 2009, guys. So I'll be talking about that and some of my stuff from learning over those years and bringing some more content from other folks that are better experts at this than me. And then, of course, check out the website, get the app on Android, and Apple's coming soon. You guys take care. Have a great one. Thanks for tuning in to Chic.